We built the eOceans mobile app to make collecting and using data easy. The mobile app is designed for field teams to collect data offline in the field and then upload when connected to the internet. And it works seamlessly with the eOceans dashboard, which is designed for project administrators. eOceans then sends your data to all the projects you're collaborating on, effortlessly updating those datasets, maps, graphs, and reports. The app ensures your data are properly managed, stored, and shared, so you can avoid expensive data management costs and harmful delays. The eOceans app isn't just for a few species. It can handle input and output on any species, with their health status or behavior, human uses, threats, environmental variables, and more. This lets you track complexities like human pressures, pollution, disease outbreaks, heat waves, mortality events, recovery patterns, conservation policies, and more. Importantly, eOceans includes a comprehensive methods catalog, so you can use any sampling method in your project. That means that when I'm studying sharks using a 100-meter belt transect, I can also log turtles, groupers, nudibranchs, and plastic pollution all in one go. The shark data will flow into my shark project, while the other observations will flow to other projects that I'm collaborating on, enabling effortless, ethical, near real-time collaborations that far exceed anything that was ever possible in the past. That's the power of eOceans, and why I built a platform, not just another app for shark divers or manta rays. When I was working on the Great Fiji shark count, for example, there were 10 other researchers collecting data just on sharks from scuba divers. What a waste of time and efforts. Now with eOceans, you can log once, and your data can go to all the projects that you choose. And since standalone apps cost millions of dollars to build and maintain, when project leads subscribe to eOceans to run a project, they save huge amounts of time, money, and effort, while also breaking down silos and working ethically with people, communities, and colleagues. The mobile app also includes a suite of other powerful tools we know you'll love, such as goal setting, field guide, data validation and cleaning, peer-to-peer ID help, because no one knows all the species, impact tracking. You start as a starfish, but as you gather verified data, validate other people's data, and contribute to projects, you level all the way up to an orca. Plus, there are limitless opportunities for learning by following others and the projects they're building. Now you can launch, run, and scale projects that matter, all in one place, all on eOceans.